Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character gao step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. Gao, to say, to report, to file a lawsuit, for example, 广告 to advertise, 广告 a commercial. Now check this sentence. The ad was run in a paper for a week. 这则广告在报上连续刊登了一个星期。The ad was run in the paper for a week.这则广告在报上连续刊登了刊登了一个星期 a week. 这则广告 this ad 在报上连续刊登了一个星期。The ad was run in a paper for a week. 这则广告在报上连续刊登了一个星期。My daily handwriting on the character gao. Gao, to say, to report, to file a lawsuit. 广告 to advertise, a commercial. The ad was run in a paper for a week. 这则广告在报上连续刊登了一个星期。告 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 告 I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.